Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, this is Mubarak Alrashidi. I'm the author of Duma, the duplicates manager tool. It's being written in Python. In this video, I wanted to show you the performance of Duma compared to fdupes. Fdupes, the most popular tool in Unix system, FreeBSD and Linux. Its main goal is finding the duplicates file and helps you to get rid of them. And I'm very proud of my application, of my tool performance. I just wanted to show you, so let's get started. We have a folder called Backup. We are in the temp01, the same folder we're in. Okay, it's about what, 22 gigs. Which has 47,285 files. Okay, let's copy it to backup 2. Here we'll use the time to calculate the elapsed time. Duma scan back 2, and in here it's done. It's also 22 gigs, so time fdupes and the folder name. I'll try to run them at the same time. Yes, and let's see what will happen. As I said, Duma is being written in Python. It's still in the very development stages. Hopefully it will be online soon. I'm planning to host it on GitHub, hopefully. It's free, it's open source. Yes. Duma has a nice feature. It uses caches. So if you scanned any folder for the first time, yes, it will take time. As you can see, it's finished. It took about 47 seconds. While fdupes is struggling, barely reached 27%. Anyway, so back to Duma. Duma uses caches. So if you scan a folder for the first time, yes, it will take time, around 47 seconds for the 22 gigs and 47,000 files. But if we scan it again, it will take, this time it will validating the files, validating the cache. This time it took only 1.5 seconds. So this is a very nice feature. It will save you a lot of time. And yes, with Duma you can do many things to the duplicates. You can just scan them and give you the statistics. Yes, it gives you the ability to select the algorithm you want to scan the file with, whether it is MD5, SHA1, SHA256, SHA512. It also can show you the list of the whole duplicates. If you want to, you will use the argument p for printing the duplicates, or you can r for removing them. It will ask you for each set of of duplicates which file you want to preserve, and depending on your choice, it will delete the rest of the duplicates, or the auto remove with the argument capital R. Also, it can perform the isolate process with I. The isolate is instead of removing all the duplicates, it will actually create a new folder inside the scanned folder called isolate. I'm sorry, it's not inside the folder. It will create that folder on the temporary directory on your operating system, and will create also the same structure of the scanned folder inside that isolate directory. And then instead of removing the duplicates, it will move all the duplicates to that particular folder, isolate, with this, and its exact place in the scanned folder. For example, if the scanned folder is called pick, and inside that folder we have another folder called sub pick, and in that folder we have a duplicate of 123.gpg. It will move this file to, let's say, temp isolate duma, then the hash, then isolate then isolate, then this sub pick, the folder called sub pick, and then the name of the file, which is 123.gpg. So it's a very nice feature if you don't want to remove all the duplicates, in case you'd like to review it yourself or make sure that they are duplicates. Although they are, trust me, because the process is based on the contents of each file, the hash. Finally, the fdupes finished. Okay, it took about 5 minutes and 54 seconds, so about 6 minutes, while our tool here for the first time took about 47 seconds, less than a minute. And for the second time, because of the caches, it took about 1.5 seconds. So if we would like to remove the files, duma -r scan pick backup 2, and in here it will be time fdupes drn and the name of the folder. Okay, so I'll try to run them at the same time again. Yes, everything seems fine. Okay. Counting files, validating files. and bingo, here it starts removing the files, while fdupes is only what, 10%. I thought it was 18, but no, it is 10%. See, it's done. Only 70%, 17, sorry, and we're done in here. It took about 3 seconds and a half. Yes, it looked like more than 3 seconds. It is because of printing the lagwas and the bash and the shell to print all the lines, but the whole process took only 3 seconds. 3.5 seconds, sorry. The plus sign means this file is being preserved, and the minus sign means this file is being deleted, as we can see now. Now in this set, yeah, this is a signature based on MD5 default, the default algorithm. You can choose, as I said, SHA1, SHA256, or SHA512. So in this set, it actually deleted the duplicates of 2, 3, and 4 and kept the first one. And the fdop still 39, 40%. Yes, it will take what, 3-4 more minutes. I think I'm going to speed up the process after this video and the editing part, just to save the time. It's a boring process. So yeah, in this case, why don't I show you the help menu of Duma? Okay. Yes, the main commands of the Duma is scan and precopy. Precopy is okay. We know that scan will help you to get rid of the duplicates by telling you which file is being duplicated more than once. And precopy actually will help you to avoid the duplicates, avoid to have duplicates. Let's say that you have a folder, whether it was on flash memory or another partition or another drive or whatever, and you want to copy it to your home directory. So in this case, you will say Duma precopy the name of the folder that you want to copy it. After that space, then the name of the destination, the name of the folder that you want to copy the files into, and hit enter. It will not copy anything, but it will scan the source directory, and then it will scan the destination directory. After that, it will compare the files in both directories, and if it finds any file that in the source destination and it is already being in the destination directory, it will not it will isolate it. So again, sorry, I didn't explain it very well. Once the scanning process is being done, it will create a folder called unique files inside the source directory, and it will with the same structure, of course, of the dir one, the source directory, and all the files that they are not in the destination, it will be moved into this folder, unique folder. So after this process, you can safely and uh, being sure that the files you are going to copy are not sorry about that are not living on the destination before. They're not already there somewhere in the destination directory. So again, pre-copy is helping you to avoid making the duplicates. As we can see, fdupes finally reached to its to the end. I'm wondering how. What is it? 5 minutes this time? 6, 7 minutes? Oh, how long did we take for our secret? I forgot. Yeah, it's only 3 seconds, 3 seconds and a half. And this one took about 5 minutes, 50 seconds. So 6 minutes, almost 6 minutes. While our tool is only 3.5 seconds. That's it. Hopefully you like it. And yes, thank you for watching. And hopefully this tool will be online very soon. Yes. Thank you. Peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye bye.